Welcome back to another English grammar quiz. Today we are testing your knowledge of prepositions. The cat is hiding blank the box. The picture is hanging blank the wall. She will arrive blank 8 o'clock. I usually go to bed blank 10 p.m. The children are playing blank the park. The kids are playing blank the garden. The book is lying blank the table. The picture is hanging blank the wall. We stayed blank a hotel last night. She walked blank the bridge. There is a picture hanging blank the wall. She is very interested blank learning language. The cat is hiding blank the box. She arrived blank the airport just in time. She was born blank July. He was standing blank the bus stop when I saw him. The man jumped blank the river. He climbed blank the roof. She was sitting blank a chair. They met blank Monday morning. My birthday is blank March. The cat is hiding blank the bed. The teacher wrote something blank the blackboard. He is sitting blank his best friend. The car is parked blank the building. Well done. How many did you got right? Comment your score below and don't forget to like and subscribe.